Ryan Little.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic headband wig review. So you guys know I've been doing these a lot lately, and I'm doing human hair and synthetic, both of them, so you guys can see how how versatile a headband wig can be as far as hair texture, and all of that good stuff. Now, I did receive this headband wig off of Amazon from a store. I don't know what the name is, and I know what the name is, but I have to say the letters because I don't know if it's an actual, name. But anywho, I did get it off of Amazon. So, of course, I will be showing you guys how the wig looks before I put it on, and let you guys know some details about the wig, and then let you guys know my final thoughts about this wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Ryan Little.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, it's not much to the cap. The cap is breathable, and of course it had that elastic, or whatever it's called, the elastic strap where the headband goes on top. Now, this is probably my third or fourth synthetic headband wig that I've reviewed, and the elastic part is different. It's actually Velcro. Is it Velcro? No. It's not Velcro. What is it? I think it's Velcro. I'm having a brain fart. So anyways, yeah, so that's different. Then as y'all saw as well, the hair was very staticky, and I'm like, excuse me, like, what's going on here? So the hair was very staticky, so I don't know about that. So let's go ahead and get into the details about this wig. So this wig is from XILUOKE. That's a burp. Off of Amazon. This is their synthetic headband wig. This is in the color auburn brown. It says 24 inches, and it retails for $21.99. Let's see what else. The cap size is average 22 to 22 0.75 inches, long, straight, 24 inches roots to tip. That's pretty much it as far as the wig. It says you can pick, it says that this wig can safely handle temperatures up to 377 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, I didn't get a headband with it. I used a headband that I already had. But yeah, as far as the wig, I like the color. Like, I really like the color. If you know me personally, I have had this color hair on my natural hair before. So I like the color. The length is fine. It's tangling up too much for me. And then, like I said before, it was really staticky. Like, I know y'all saw me. I had to go get a static fabric sheet, whatever, and put it on the hair to decrease some of the staticness. So yeah, as I was saying, I really love the color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. The length is fine. Only problem is it tangles really fast. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front. You can't really see, but it goes to the end of my crop top shirt. So here's the front, side, here's the back, other side. So yeah, super cute. It's just tangling up way too fast for me. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this headband wig. I really do appreciate it. I love the color. That's the only color that they have. So if the tangleness is not too much of a problem for you and you like this wig, go ahead and get it. Don't get it because I said so, but I'm saying if you like this wig, the color and everything, and not, you know, it's not too much of a problem for the tangling issue, then I say go ahead and go for it. But that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the color, the length, all of that stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.